What will you start today if you know you couldn't fail? I'll go first. For me, it's video editing. And before you say, then start already, calm down. Hear me out. I'm good at talking about what I want to do, but doing it, no. It's 1st January 2025. I said this is the year I will learn and master video editing. But guess what? It's November and I just started learning the basic last week. I bought a course but didn't open it. Saved tutorials but never watched any. Opened the editing software, stared at the timeline, then closed it. I felt allergic to my own dreams because deep down I was scared. Scared of doing it wrong, scared of looking stupid. Then last week, a friend asked me to edit her a promo video. I wanted to say no, but something in me said, try it. So I did. And the edit was beautifully, fantastically bad. She looked at it and said, you tried, but is this what you've been learning since January? Girl, learn another skill. Editing is not for you. I felt it. But she wasn't wrong. If I had actually started when I said I would, I'll be better by now. There's no perfect time to start anything. We keep waiting to feel ready, waiting for the perfect setup, waiting to know everything, but that perfect moment doesn't exist. Learning is messy, failing is normal, and progress only comes from doing the first ugly steps. So I finally stopped waiting. In just 1 week, here's what I've learned. I can cut clips, I can add voiceovers and music, I can export, but for now, I'm only on my phone. Next week, I'll learn how to do it on my laptop. Yeah, my laptop isn't that powerful, but it works, and I'm using what I have until what I want becomes affordable. And if all you have is your phone, start with that. Skills grows faster than equipment. My first goal, use editing to earn enough to buy a better laptop. My delulu? Nope. Let's start from there. Follow my learning journey. If you're also trying to start something this year, please subscribe. Not because I'm an expert. I'm literally learning in public. You'll see every mistake, every attempt, every win. We're figuring this out together. My edits were trash at first. Messy timeline, deleted the wrong clips, left awkward gaps. But repetition is power. Your fingers start to remember. Your eyes adjust. Your brain connects things. And listen, the people you admire today, go back and check their first videos or throwbacks. Their first posts were rough, awkward, and unpolished. The only difference between them and you is that they started and they were brave enough to stay consistent when they were still bad. Next week, I'm learning the boring but important stuff. How to create folders, how to organize footage, how to arrange everything before editing. Because chaos kills creativity and structure creates flow. Now your turn. What's one thing you've been postponing for months, maybe even years? Drop it in the comments. Let's push each other. Let's build consistency together. Here's my roadmap. 30 days, create an edit I'm proud of. 3 months, earn from my editing. 6 months, buy a laptop from my editing income. So yeah, today's edit might be rough. Next week will be better. And 6 months from now, we'll be ahead of everyone waiting for the perfect moment. Subscribe if you're tired of someday. Let's start together today.